Now that we have Etcher installed, let's demonstrate the process of flashing an SD card. So the first thing that we'd want to do is download a particular image that we want to flash on our card. Let's choose Raspbian. So I'm going to click on the Raspbian link here from the raspberrypi.org website, and I'm going to download the zip file for the Raspbian Stretch with desktop. As I mentioned, this site may have changed or may look slightly different when you visit it from when the video has been recorded. So just go ahead and download the appropriate version of Raspbian, and the zip file is actually what we're interested in. So click on download zip. We're going to save this on your computer. You can save it anywhere you want. Get that download going. So I'm going to pause the video here and we'll resume once the download has finished. Okay, so our download has completed, and the Raspbian image is stored on our hard drive, or actually the zip file. So now let's fire up Etcher. So I'm going to open up Etcher. Okay, and it loads up here. So the first thing that we need to do is insert our SD card into our, if it's a USB connector you're using, go ahead and insert the SD card into the USB slot. Or if you have an SD card reader with an adapter, you should go ahead and insert that in. That's the first thing that you should do. Then you click on select image. So here we're gonna select that zip file that we downloaded for Raspbian. And click on open here. Now you'll notice that at the middle here, what should show up is the SD card selected by default that you inserted into your USB drive or your SD card reader. So again, Etcher makes it very easy for you, selects this by default. It would not mess up your main hard drive or system or flash your main system. There's a security mechanism that's built in. So just give a quick verification that the size that you see here is the size of your SD card. In my case, it's a 16 gig SD card that I'm using. So once that looks good to go, click on the flash button. So now the process is starting. So it may take a couple minutes to complete this process. So I will pause the video here and we will resume when the flashing process is completed. Okay, so now our flash is completed and the process is all done. Our SD card is prepped. We can proceed to take the SD card, insert it into our Raspberry Pi, and boot up for the first time. So the process was as simple and easy and painless as that. Etcher definitely simplifies the entire process for us.